Okay, this video is going to be about using heat shrink self-soldering butt connectors for wire connections. You can see here I have a connection made here, this green wire to this black wire. You can see, I don't know if you can see in there, the black wire and the green wire overlap. I cut the insulation back pretty good to give me a good bit of exposed wire on both pieces. So what I'm going to do now is take my heat gun and I'm going to heat this up and shrink the tubing and melt the solder with the heat gun. Now this is just a plain old Drill Master Harbor Freight heat gun, and I'm going to do it on high. So we'll solder this and then I'll talk some more about it. So here we go. See, it's starting to melt on that end. I melt the ends first so nothing moves. Then pull the heat off a little bit and let that cure. And then go back to the solder in the middle. Now I'm using my GoPro 2 here, old style GoPro, where you can't see what you're actually filming. There, see the solder melt? Hope you can see that, but the solder melted. So there it is, it's melted. Let me get a little bit better, lay that gun down, get a little bit better. It's still a little bit flimsy. It'll tighten up as it cools off. Hopefully you can see that the solder melted into the wire. That's how they work. There's been a lot of controversy that I've read lately, or maybe it's been for a long time, I don't know, but I just read it lately about how these things work. They're a waste of money and that people don't like them. Well, there you are. I'm telling you, they work. Because if I can use it, anybody can use it. I guarantee you that. See the solder melted into the wire? Hopefully you can see that. There it is. And the shrink tube shrinked on, to the wire. And that's a good, perfectly good, tight connection. You're not going to pull that connection apart. I guarantee you that. So that's how they work. I recommend these things highly. I bought these off of eBay. Wasn't cheap, but cheaper than other places. But yeah, I recommend them highly. Buy them. So anyway, that's using the heat shrink self-soldering butt splice for wiring. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody who's thinking about buying these or thinking about how to use them. God bless. Thanks.